Good folks at the first aid station will be happy to help get it out for you. Pulling our train today is locomotive number 190, the Yukon Queen, built in 1943 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works of Philadelphia for the U.S. Army. She served in Alaska during World War II and was brought to Tweetsie Railroad in 1960 to serve alongside locomotive number 12, the original Tweetsie engine. From 1918 to 1940, number 12 ran on the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad, or ET and WNC, between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. Folks back then used to say proudly that ET and WNC also stood for every time and with no complaint. During the troubles of the Great Depression, local folks joked that it could also stand for eat taters and wear no clothes. Each day our locomotives will burn as much as 5 tons of coal and use up to 5,000 gallons of water making steam to pull us around the mountain. We're so glad you're here today, and we hope you enjoy your ride on the Tweetsie Railroad. Before we get started, I just want to remind you to stay in your seats while the train is moving, and be sure to keep your arms and head inside the train cars at all times. You never know when a desperado or tree limb might just sneak up on you. We want you all to be safe and have fun riding the Tweetsie Railroad. Also know that smoking is not allowed on the train, except of course for the engine. Our train will be leaving the station in just a few minutes, so be sure to stay in your seats. Riding the train with you today are the Tweetsie Cowboys and Cowgirls. They're going to introduce themselves to you and tell you anything else you might need to know.
Oh, boys, the Tweetsie Railroad. Casey Jones, let's ride. The train's clear. Thank you.
stop here at the Frontier Outpost. Seems our cowboys have a little bit of business to take care of. And keep your eyes peeled. Never know what might happen when a train stops in the middle of the wilderness.
You never know what might happen when a train stops in the middle of the wilderness.
Here we are back in town. Tweetsie and her crew kept you safe and directions to wherever you want to go. Don't forget you can upgrade your ticket to a season pass just by visiting our ticket office. Thanks for riding with us. Y'all come back and ride with us again real soon. Bye-bye now.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train cars have finished rolling back, please. At this time, it is safe to exit out the rear of your train cars. Thanks for riding with us and spending the day with us here at Tweetsie Railroad.
Look at this guy right here. He's like, where's your going? I want some more.
Look at all of it. Okay, now you want to sit right here?
Here.
Look how flat it is. Kids are eating all the food. They eat all of it. Uh-oh, who's down there? Good, you're doing good. You are.